How to get Coinbase Wallet without the recovery phrase. This is a step-by-step guide so you'll be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you can just go ahead and open up the Coinbase Wallet right here. And once inside, of course, you need to remember your recovery phrase in order to log in into your wallet. Now what if that's not the case? Now as an example, I'll just go ahead and log out of my account right here. Well, now that I'm inside the login page right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on I already have a wallet. And in here we basically only have two options, which is to enter the recovery phrase manually or to Google Drive backup. Now you can just go ahead and check whether you have backed up your recovery phrase. But unfortunately, if that's not the case and you totally forgot your recovery phrase, you cannot go ahead and recover your Coinbase wallet back because it acts as a password on our account, and losing that means losing the account. So we basically only have one option right here, which is the Google Drive backup. You can just go ahead and choose one of your Google accounts that has that backup and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.